Be ready. Start. This quote, however, in Lehru must not be read to mean that an owner of a vehicle was under no circumstances have any duty to make any inquiry in this respect. The same owner, however, would again be a question which would arise for consideration in each individual case. The submission of Mr. Salve that in Lehru case this court has for all intent and purport taken away the right of an insurer to raise a defense that the license is fake does not appear to be correct. Such defense can certainly be raised by it will be for the insurer to prove that the insured did not take an adequate care and caution to verify the genuineness or otherwise of the license held by the driver. The court then went on to advert to a two-judge bench decision of this court in National Insurance Co. Limited v. Lakshmi Narayan Dutt within bracket 2007 3 SCC 700 before dealing with the facts of the case before it. Suffice it to observe that it is well established that if the owner was aware of the fact that the license was fake and still permitted by the driver to drive the vehicle, then the insurer would stand absolved. However, the mere fact that the driving license is fake per se would not be absolved in the insurer. Indubitably, the High Court noted that the counsel for the appellant did not dispute that the driving license was found to be fake, but that concession by itself was not sufficient to absolve the insurer. As aforementioned in the present case, neither the tribunal nor the High Court has bothered to analyze the pleadings and evidence adduced by the parties on the crucial matter. Be that as it may, in this appeal, the limited grievance of the appellant owner of the vehicle is about unjustly absolving the insurer merely on the finding that the driving license of the driver respondent number 6 was fake. No other aspect has been raised by the appellant, nor do we intend to analyze or consider the same. We therefore deem it appropriate to relegate the parties before the High Court for fresh consideration of the appeal filed by the appellant within bracket owner only on the question of liability of the owner or of the insurer within bracket respondent number 7 to pay the compensation amount. We make it clear that the High Court shall not examine any other issue in the remand proceedings, for the compensation amount as determined and directed by the tribunal has already been made over the claimants. Accordingly, we set aside the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad and restore the first appeal from order number 3290 of 2016 to file of the High Court to its original number for being decided afresh on the limited question of whether the liability to pay compensation amount is cast upon the appellant within bracket owner of the vehicle or respondent number 7 within bracket insurer. That aspect be decided on its own merits in accordance with law. We may not be understood to have expressed any opinion either way on the efficacy of the pleadings and the evidence produced by the parties adverted to in this judgment or in any other evidence on record. All questions in that behalf are left open. The appeal is allowed in the aforementioned terms with no order as to costs. Stop. फ्रेंड्स वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।